Sedona's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah. Math Network.
Welcome back. Today we're going to combine our knowledge of circumference and area to solve word problems that kind of involve us jumping back and forth between the two. So today's word problem states, a circle has a circumference of 43.98 feet. What is the area of that circle? There's a couple things to unpack. Now, usually they ask us to find the circumference. And when they ask us to find the circumference, they give us the diameter. This time they didn't. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the formula for circumference that we learned a few lessons ago, which is circumference equals pi times the diameter. We're going to rewrite it, and we're going to write 43.98 on this side equals, and we're going to use 3.14 for pi. And we are going to write d, because that's what we need to know. We need to know the diameter. 3.14 is right next to the d, which implies, and it's understood, that multiplication is occurring. And what we're literally saying is 3.14 times a number we don't know yet, gives us 43.98. So if multiplying gives us that number, what operation is going to tell us the number we don't know? It would be the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So again, I'm going to rewrite this as 43.98 divided by 3.14 equals d. And when you put that in your calculator, what you end up getting is a diameter of about 14 feet. This little circle that's been hanging out over here, I'm not going to label with the diameter. And if I'm going to go through the trouble of labeling the diameter, I should take a moment to label the radius. If the diameter is 14 feet, d is 14 feet. That means the radius is 7 feet. Now let's ask ourselves, do we have enough information to find out the area? We do. The formula for area of a circle is pi times the radius squared to the second power. Oops. I'm going to rewrite this as area equals 3.14 times 7 to the second power, which becomes 3.14 times 49. We're going with feet. And the final answer is that the area of this circle is 153.94 feet squared. And if you're out there going, oh, I caught him looking at his notepad, you're right, I wrote it down. Why? Because before I presented it to you, I wanted to work it out first. That's what a good mathematician does. Let's take a step back and look at this work. Remember, the original word problem said a circle has a circumference of 43.98. What is 43.98 feet? What is the area of the same circle? We worked backwards to determine that the diameter of the circle is 14 feet. Use that information to determine that the radius is 7 feet. And then used the area formula of pi times the radius to the second power to determine that the area of the same circle, whose circumference was 43.98 feet, that circle has an area of 153.94 feet to the second power. We out. Where's my blue marker?
Mr. Dona's Awesome Math Network. It's the Awesome Math Network. Yeah. Math Network.